Welcome guys, welcome to the Trucker John Show. It is Saturday evening, December 14th, 2019. It is 9 o'clock at night, 36 degrees out. Thanks for stopping in. Okay guys, we are on our way back up to Latham, just like every Saturday night for the last, I think this is the 12th load now. I'm not sure. I'd have to look back. I forgot, lost track. Anyway, this is the 12th load. I'm going to be picking up out of Latham, going down to Huntsville, Alabama. So we'll be delivering on Tuesday, the 17th, and we'll be looking for a load to come back up here. Haven't got any word yet if we're going to be loading on Sunday the 22nd or not to deliver on Christmas Eve. Kind of talked with the agent a little bit about it on Friday, and she seemed to think maybe, it's 50-50 shot. They may want to load on Sunday, the 22nd, but not deliver till Thursday, the 26th. So we'll have to wait and play it by ear. Either way, I still would not be home for Christmas. If they wanted to go right down, of course, I'd be delivering Christmas Eve down in Alabama, and probably wouldn't be back home till the day after Christmas at the earliest. And same thing, if they want to deliver the day after Christmas, I'd have to leave Christmas Eve to make it down there in time to deliver. So and then again, there might not be any loads at all, so who knows? We'll have to wait and see. Been raining all day today at home. Temperatures were, well, we almost got to 50 today. I think we got up to 48 this afternoon. All the snow is gone. The ground is all muddy. And now the temperature's starting to drop, and might get a little bit of ice tonight, or a little bit, just a little snow shower, nothing of any significance, but looking like there may be a snowstorm up here anyway on Tuesday. Looks like Tuesday time frame. I looked at the weather for Huntsville for Monday and Tuesday. It's supposed to be in the high 60s, rain, thunderstorms, so that'll be nice. If it's warm, I don't care if it's raining. So, but yeah, so maybe, depending on how early we get loaded tomorrow, I'm going to try to get down to Huntsville as quick as I can. Got a friend longtime friend, lives in Georgia, and he's going to be in Huntsville for work on Monday, possibly. I don't know for sure yet. And we're going to try to get together and go out and have a steak or something Monday night. That'd be great. I haven't seen my buddy in a lot of years now, and actually a long time ago we used to run team together many years ago. So looking forward to that. If that happens, I sure hope it does. It's always good to see old friends and catch up, and you talk on the phone a couple times a year. It's always better to catch up in person if you can. But yeah, be really looking forward to that if we can make that happen. But like I said, I do not have a back haul yet out of Alabama. I'm really kind of hoping maybe Monday I hear something about next week, and then I can decide what the best course of action would be. I'm thinking that if there's not going to be any loads, that it'd be, I would try to find a load out of Alabama going somewhere else, like up to the upper Midwest or somewhere, like up maybe Minnesota or somewhere, or Wisconsin, and then load back east and be home for Christmas. But we'll see. It's going to be one of those last minute wait and see what happens type things. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a pretty bright moon peeking out through the clouds up there, straight out in front of us. Probably be in the very upper part of the picture. And actually, since we've started heading up towards Latham here, the temperature's come back up to about 37 now. So we don't got to worry about any ice on the road, which is good. Pretty quiet out tonight. Kind of keeping my eyeball on all these four-wheelers. There's not many of them, but the ones that are out here is holiday party season, so you got to watch out for that. People that had a little bit too much holiday spirit in them, if you know what I mean. Feeling much better. As you remember, I was sick last week. I'm still a little bit congested, still coughing a little bit. But as far as the achiness and the fever and all that, that's pretty much gone now. Didn't do too much. I'm at home on my days off. I got home Thursday afternoon and didn't do too much. Kind of rested. I really was not feeling very good. And Friday just did a little bit of grocery shopping and ran a couple of errands, went to the bank and stuff. Then last evening, Friday night, took Melissa to a holiday gathering that she had to go to, and we spent a couple hours there, had a pretty good time, good food. And today pretty much just got my laundry done and things ready to come back out in the truck here. Seems like I'm always either taking stuff out of the truck or putting stuff back in the truck. I know when I'm home every week, you always got to get your laundry out. I got to empty out my refrigerator and bring anything leftovers back in the house. Shut all that down because I like to let it defrost every week if I can. Not that it builds up it builds up a very thin layer of ice on the top of the inside of the refrigerator part. But not a lot. But I like to shut it off and leave it open so it gets a chance to air out and all that. And then most of the stuff that I have in here that's freezable, it's just not a lot. I mean, I have some water and stuff I'll take in the house. Anything with batteries, like all of these cameras actually, they all go in the house with me. all the cameras I use for making these videos go in the house. The Mavic Mini, that goes in the house. Anything with batteries like that, when it's cold, I mean, it probably wouldn't really ruin the batteries, but it's probably not that great for them either. So the cold air is probably not that great for the batteries. So they all go back in the house. And then a day or so later, the process is reversed. If I did any grocery shopping, I put my groceries in the refrigerator, bring the laundry back in the truck, bring the water back in the truck, all the cameras, and all that kind of stuff. This week I did all my bedding, so I had sheets and pillowcases and blankets, blanket. Figure it'd be usually I'll wash the sheets every week. The blanket I'll leave for a couple weeks or whatever. But I figured I was been sick all last week, so took it all out, washed everything up. So I got a nice clean bed to get into tonight. Really kind of hard to believe that it's only like a little over a week from Christmas. Sure don't seem like it. Doesn't seem like it whatsoever. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know back at Thanksgiving I've got a honey baked ham and a honey baked turkey breast from the honey baked ham store. And I just got an email today that today and tomorrow they're having a pretty good sale. It's like 20% off, or was it 30 or 20 or 30% off, and free shipping. So we're thinking about ordering another ham and another turkey breast. I took what was left of the honey baked ham and I cut it all up, and I made actually twice I made a big casserole of scalloped potatoes and ham. Boy, that's good. Really good with that honey baked ham too. That's what makes it. You got to have the right kind of ham in it. But yeah, we might do that just so we can get the leftovers to make some more scalloped potatoes. Anyway, I thought I'd just do a quick video tonight, Saturday night. Just a short little 80 miles up to Latham from my house, and I know I've told you many times before, but I like coming up here the night before because I take my 10-hour break. That way, when he calls me and he's ready to load, you know, I didn't waste my time driving up here, and I got a full 11 hours I can drive out of Latham. So I like to push hard the first day. I like to make it down to Wytheville, Virginia, if I can. And so that makes my second day easy. So anyway. Anyway, that's going to wrap up the short little video for today. Glad you checked it out. Come back tomorrow and we'll do another one. Don't forget to hit that like on the way out. Leave me a comment. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd really like that. Like to have you on the channel here. Okay, guys, take care. We see ya. Bye for now.